I feel so happy that you told me that we did Ho'oponopono for the plant, and that plant is not also alive, but it's grown so like nicely.
Yeah, almost exactly. Right. Yes, you did Ho'oponopono for me a few days ago. When I told you, right, I have bought this plant and I neglected it for a few days. Like I was very tired, not able to plant it that same day. I planted the day after. So the plant was very fragile. It was almost dead, like 5% life left. And we did Ho'oponopono and it revived. Now I have shown you the picture, right? It is almost the size of me,
Can you show the
my
picture?
height. Yeah. Sure, I'll show you.
Oh yeah, it's quite big. It's quite grown up. Yeah, that's very nice. I feel so happy that you told me that we did Ho'oponopono for the plant, and that plant is not also alive, but it's grown so like nicely.
Yeah, almost exactly. Right.
It looks very happy. The plant looks very happy in the picture.
Yeah, very healthy. Yeah.